Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 10 search not working or blank screen error. If someone tries to search for something, a blank screen will appear there, and no results will be shown. Right-click on Taskbar, and open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab, click on it. Find search.ui.exe. Click top then press S button, you can find it easily. Right-click on search.ui.exe, select End Task. Close Task Manager. Check it again. Now working. Make sure you have to install latest Windows updates. Go to Settings. Go down and click Update and Security, then on the Windows Update. In my system already downloaded. Just pending restart. You need to check latest update and install it. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.